middle. So make it, make some blobs, like 5 blobs across. Yeah, there you go. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
So we've just done our blocking. Now we're getting ready to do some rose drips. Okay, wherever you think, but probably not over the other ones, right? Rose drips begin. Bash that thing. There you go. Woohoo! Dun, 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 dun.
Looks like storm clouds.
Right. So as we create the purple for our shadows, we're mixing the red and the blue. And it's not dry brush, but it's slightly drier than what it's been. Okay.
Add a little red.
Sure, I'd add a little bit of red.
Should I
Just jump right into it.
Okay.
Yep. Into purple we go. Let's do the very first stroke of purple. Nice. Make it darker, so go over it. That's right. It's the reverse.
Because I was like, it's really light over there.
Yeah, it's getting lighter too. The sun's really coming out. A little bit more. Purple drips. She's the drip queen. Wow.
How did I do?
Oh my God. Well, what do you think?
I like it.
I do too. And we're moving into the shrubbery. Ah, yes, the shrubbery. The green drips. Ah, yes, there they go. Boy. Special, very special drips, I think.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
All the way over to the right?
Should I do these here or I'll take it all the way fast?
No, the ones on the right. Into the crevices. And it'll be on the left sides of the shadows.
We've got big globs of green.
Oh yeah, that's definitely larger than before.
Wasn't planned.
Well, oh my goodness, wonderful. I mean, stop for a minute. Maybe you want to take a look at it and decide if you want to go on. Yeah, a little bit more, she says. Going. And the date.